Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video is composed of things that I tinkered with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you could click on the links in the comment section below. This video should contain tips and tricks of things that I've learned throughout the year. Now, I only plan on leaving this video posted for about 30 days. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching. I want to put a little lead on this video, thanking everybody that has submitted a guest so far for the 100,000 subscribers. I just want to say that I believe somebody has already guessed that date. You may not need to make a guess if you haven't already. You're welcome to, that's fine. Text message, email. Some have done a message on YouTube. The tough thing about the messages on YouTube, they are hard for me to find in the future. So, make it tough for me, I don't mind. I like a challenge every once in a while. Anyway, I just want to thank FCP again for sponsoring that little fund. And if for some reason you win that prize from FCP and you do not think it's useful for you, I can probably arrange a way to exchange that prize. So don't worry about that. Thanks for playing. On my way out to do my final run for Queen Bee Rip Kit installation. The differences between the standard setup, the Volvo 94 setup, and the one I got from Snap Performance. Test might be a little bit off. I have a little more gas in the car. It is about 5 degrees cooler, and I have something else in the car that weighs a little bit, a couple of parts, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. So I probably have 40 more pounds in the car. Anyway, I'm going to do these 2 runs because I did the other 2. I did take the car to the track, seen a little bit of improvements, and I can feel that the car is a little more responsive with the Snap Rip Kit. So that's good. Let me get my cruise calculated to 40 and get this test done. Alright, I have my cruise calibrated. Now I'm going to go down here and make these runs. 4 horsepower with the Rip Kit. Same 271-ish. Has a, looks like a knot on the tire. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, there you go. See that? A buddy of mine said I should be able to cut that off, because sticking out, there's a danger of it causing the tire to go flat. So let me see. I can cut that off of there. There it goes. It's coming. Getting it off. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming. Look like I need to go a little bit further. Yeah, it's almost even now. Just cut it a little bit more. That didn't work. This is the second worst tire I had when I had my tires balanced in Charlotte. You can see the outside tread is almost totally gone. It's getting close to having cord showing. The tire is worn across to the wear bar there. Time to replace the tire. A little bit left there, but they're not wearing evenly. It may have been from when the suspension was messed up. I'm going to put this tire on here. It's has some wear left, but this one is across to the bar. As you can see, that one is not. Probably got another 5,000-10,000 miles left on it. The tire that had the bubble on the side, I cut off. Anyway, as you can see, it has some bad inside tread wear. This tire was gone anyway. Wasn't down to the wear bar, but probably the bad suspension before I replaced it started the bad wear and damaged the tire. Just wanted to do a video clip, let you guys know about a better jack to get for your car in case you have this one. This jack, very dangerous. Never get under a car with any jack, they're all dangerous. But anyway, this one especially dangerous for tipping cars. If you look on my door right here, that is a scar from one of those jacks falling. So anytime you see a Volvo 850 with a scar on the driver's or passenger front door, it's because one of these jacks fell over. Cars on jacks for changing tires, not stable anyway. This one is especially, I've even seen these blow out on me. Thank goodness I had the tire in place with a couple bolts on it. They started supplying this jack either in 99 or 2000. It is a lot more stable and solid. It is a jack only to be used for changing tires, so it is dangerous too. If you ever got to do any work under a car, have the car off the ground for more than 4 or 5 minutes, put the car on the jack stand. Jack stands sit under the car, you lower the car on them, they can bear the weight. Most of them are 3 ton. Anyway, if you're out and about, find one of these if you can. Phase those out if you can. Alright, I got the tire replaced on Queen Bee. No more sidewall bubble. And I need to refinish that wheel. So I'm putting the rest of these G-Force Comp 2s on it. It's a BF Goodrich tire. It's supposed to be better than the tires that were running, these Cooper Zeons. But anyway, I do like the Cooper Zeons for an inexpensive tire. They're one of the best. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.